So in the past, it was incredibly easy to reach a ton of people on YouTube because there weren't many people in the industry. Now there are over 15 million active content creators on the platform. So if you want to learn how to get a ton of subscribers and views this year as a small content creator, then this video is for you. I've created many channels in the past, and through my mistakes, I learned how to create videos that can result in a ton of growth, not just on one channel, but on two. In fact, through these things that I'm going to tell you about, Startupwise has grown to over 15,000 subscribers in just a few months. Be sure to watch through until the end, because after you're done watching this video, you'll know exactly how you can start making videos that get a good amount of subscribers and views. Let's get started. So first, how does the YouTube algorithm work? So the YouTube algorithm is very interesting. It basically pushes out your content if people are clicking on it and also staying and watching for a long time when they do click. The more people that click and stay, the more money YouTube is actually making from that ad revenue. So if your thumbnail and title are good, your CTR, click-through rate, will increase, which means YouTube will push it out more onto people's home pages. If your video is entertaining and it isn't boring, your retention rates will increase, which means that YouTube will push it out to even more people who have the same interests. If a person watches through your entire video, that's going to drastically increase your average watch time, and YouTube will find what topics they are interested in and spread that same video to other people on the platform with similar interests. What I recommend doing is watch your video as an outsider and think about what would make the audience click out of your video. So are there any things that are super boring? What's dragged out for too long? What's in the video that actually serves no purpose to the main idea? The audience needs to constantly be seeing something different for them to actually stay entertained and engaged, and of course, keep watching the video. So some things that you guys can do is add text, add images, animations, jokes, zoom in, zoom outs. And yeah, so many different things you guys can use to actually hold people's attention better. The keyword here is basically just activity. You don't want a very boring video with nothing being shown. That's not gonna make them stay for that long. So yeah, a lot of this is actually done in the editing process. What I recommend doing is you can actually see in your YouTube analytics when most people stop watching and learn what people aren't interested in. So if you see a massive drop off in the retention starting at, let's say, 50 seconds into your video, then obviously that part is going to be somewhat boring, and learn from that. In future videos, don't make that same mistake. Another big thing that I recommend everyone do is to create evergreen content. Create content according to what your audience is looking for. And if you don't know what evergreen content is, it's basically content that lasts forever, that's searchable, that doesn't really have an expiration date. So a video like how to start a YouTube channel is gonna be a lot more evergreen and searchable than something like this just in, FTX has gone bankrupt. That second video is gonna do well for a short period of time, but after maybe a month or two, people are going to care about that. No one's gonna be searching for that, and no one's going to care enough to click on it. Whereas that first video, that's going to last for a long time. Now, you may be wondering how you can find out what people are looking for, and that's where the sponsor of today's video comes in, which is VidIQ. VidIQ is a great platform for looking at data on how many people are looking for a certain topic, what topics are trending, as well as what your competition is doing. They have keyword research tools, a list of daily ideas that are specific to your niche, trend alerts, as well as a ton of other useful information. Right now, you can use the link below to get started for just $1, which is a really great price for pretty much everyone. This is a tool that has helped me find what people are looking for on YouTube, and it can also help you get a ton of views. YouTube is a business, and I personally recommend investing into tools like VidIQ for any serious content creators out there that want to grow this year and beyond. Again, the link is down below in the description where you can get started for just $1. Now back to the video. So now that we've explained evergreen content as well as how you can use VidIQ, what else can you do? What I recommend doing is find something within your niche that is constantly changing, that is also very repeatable. For example, you can do monthly episodes or monthly close reviews, or just anything that you can repeatedly make content about that is changing or updating in your niche. If you constantly post about that topic, you will slowly start to take over those videos in rankings, because your previous videos will also have metadata connected to the new one. Monthly videos like this have definitely helped me out a ton and have grown my channels considerably. The great thing about shorts is that if you're making short videos natively for YouTube Shorts, you can also post those onto Instagram Reels as well as TikTok for more eyeballs. This is a great way to grow your entire social media platforms, and it's also a great ROI of your time, right? You're creating one piece of short form content and you're able to repost it onto 3 different different platforms. Compared to long form content, shorts are getting way more views on YouTube. People love short form content and they can easily get lost in the scrolling. So yeah, it really is a lot easier to get a ton of views from a short rather than a 10 to 15 minute video. This can really expose you to a ton of eyeballs and result in conversions to long form viewers. It also does not take nearly as much effort to create a short form piece of content compared to a 10 to 15 minute video. And that means you can upload a lot of shorts per day. Shorts are relatively new and not all creators have fully taken advantage of the new formats, so this is really your time to shine with that. Another huge thing I recommend implementing is having a call to action, a CTA. You won't get likes and subscribers if you don't ask for it. Well, you will, but not nearly as many. The worst thing that will happen if you ask someone to like and subscribe is they'll think no. And yeah, sometimes as viewers, we need to be reminded to actually like and subscribe, otherwise we'll just forget. You can also experiment with your different call to actions, like putting them midway through the video or at the start or right at the end of the video. Another thing I really recommend you guys do is try out a ton of different video ideas and topics over the course of a month. Explore, try different things, and double down on the content that performs the best. Keep putting in the reps, keep improving, and if you try enough things, you guys will realize, hey, I'm really good at making this type of content, or hey, this content really resonates with my audience, and you can really double down on that. If you don't try these things, you'll never figure out what works the best. Another big thing is don't focus on the competition. Instead, implement a blue ocean strategy. So instead of looking at your competition and thinking, hey, how can I exactly replicate what they're doing? Instead, just use them for inspiration and then create your own big spin on the content. You cannot expect to compete with someone that has millions and millions of subscribers if you are a small channel. You need to do things differently and you need to be very unique. Think of your competition as your friends rather than, talking smack about them. Try to befriend them, mastermind with them, bounce ideas off one another, and I guarantee you're gonna grow a lot faster. There's so much opportunity with content creating. You can't look at all your competitors as actual competitors. Rather, you guys can collaborate and just take over the space together. And the last tip I have for you guys is be fast to identifying trends and implementing them. The faster you upload a video on a topic, the higher the chance that it's going to be ranked #1 for that specific topic. If you see certain video styles catching on and performing extremely well with other creators, do your own version of that. This can really help catapult your channel to the next level. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys want to learn more about making your own YouTube channel, I actually have my own course. It's called the 6-Figure YouTube Academy. And I basically brain dumped everything I know about creating YouTube channels into this course. That link's gonna be down below, and we do have an exclusive offer for viewers of this channel. Anyways, I hope you guys got some good value out of this video. Definitely implement some of the things you learned in it. I guarantee you it's going to help your channel out a ton. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated to giving you guys free guides and tutorials helping you start up your business. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.